So this afternoon I'm going to show you how to take your file directly from Adobe Express and import it into Simple Booklet. There's a very straightforward, simple method on how to do this using the add-on features here in Adobe Express. So once your file is done, it's looking how you want it, then the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and make sure that the title is something that's representational of your file. Adobe Express automatically gives you a title of Untitled, but if you're anything like me, I happen to have many untitled, so it's just good to keep it legible for your current self and for your future self and for anyone else who might see your file. So go ahead and adjust that there. I've already done mine. It's just up here. It's this feature here. And then once you're done that, go to Add-ons, which is the bottom icon of the left-hand menu here. And this will pop up this menu. And if you type in Simple Booklet, you will see it here. It's one of my add-ons. It's already here, but you'll find it here as well. And that'll pop up over here. Okay, and so now we get to choose a style. I'm working with a 2-page document for this one. So I think the one that I'm going to go with is actually this card flip. I think that will work really well, but there are several options I encourage you to explore. And if you are in between two, you can always test the one you were thinking about later in Simple Booklet. Okay, we'll just say export document. Great, your document is now ready. Open in Simple Booklet, click that. And now will come your prompt to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into my Simple Booklet here. Okay, so that opened directly into the editing tab and the audience preview. And if I click, as you can see, I've got my page flip here. And if I go over here to my dashboard, you can see that it's come here. It's imported the title that I've given it, and it's right here on my dashboard. So that's it. That's how you send a file directly from Adobe Express into Simple Booklet. Thanks.